ating mga nominado sa New Movie Actor of the Year prove that hindi tayo mauubusan ng mga galing na aktor sa pelikula at nalit sila.
For New Movie Actor of the Year, Ron Angeles, Malyara. Ellison De Dios, In His Mother's Eyes. Shun Mark Gomez, Huling Palabas. Fino Herrera, Here Comes the Groom. Marcus Joseph Manuel, Unspoken Letters. Ninong Rao, Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme, Mukbang Episode. Charles Tejones, Losers 1, Sucker 0. And Dustin Liu, Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme, Rage Episode. And the star goes to Dustin Liu for Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme, Rage Episode.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is John Fontanilla.
Wow. Good evening, everyone. I never thought I'd be standing here in front of you guys. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa PMPC for this award. This is actually my first time receiving this kind of award as a newbie actor. And ayun, maraming salamat po PMPC. Also to Regal Films, Ms. Rosel, for giving me the opportunity to be part of Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme. And to my virtual family, Sir Charlie, Sir Mark, Tito Dondon, and also to my GMA Sparkle family, of course. Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Tracy, thank you so much. And I promise na mas lalo ko pong gagalingan and more awards to come. Thank you so much.